So there is a free plan, pro plan, business plan, and enterprise plan. Free plan is basically you get 30 credits for a month, and each day you can get about 5 prompts. Until you use all the 30 credits, it will restart in next month, just like that. It's free. I will recommend using that free plan for testing out how the prompts works and everything. Okay, and now there is pro plan. Pro plan is basically for the designers, actually designers, and it is $25 per month, and you get about 100 credits, monthly credits, and it has a 5 credits up to 150 per month. And there is user-based cloud AI, and there's a credit rollover. Like if you didn't use daily prompts, then it will restart the with the previous day's credits. Okay, and there is custom domain. You get a custom domain and remove lovable badge. Like in free version, whenever you create something, there will be a lovable badge in it, and it will be, when you use this plan, it will be removed. And there is you can make private projects and usage roles and permissions and so on. So basically the pro plan is for designers. I mean, there you can create websites, landing pages, and everything, other than creating a SaaS service or anything complicated that. Okay, and this is very good for the people who are into creating websites and selling to clients. Okay, and then there is business plan. Business plan is basically where you can create apps and SaaS service. Okay, and there is 100 credits per month, and you can use 100 and there is SSO, which means you can connect with your teams here and use that feature. And then this personal projects and data training and design templates and so on. And this is $50 per month, and this is basically for the service creators and app creators. And then there is the enterprises plan, and this is basically for the next level things. Imagine you have this business plan, okay, for $50 per month, and it is going well, but you need to do that next level, like creating 1 million of users, or you managing users in large bases. Then you need to change the plan to enterprise plan, because this is where you get more the flexibility to manage your users and grow your business. Okay, and here you can get dedicated support from Lovable, and onboarding services, custom connection, and group-based control access, and then group-based access control, sorry. And then there is customer design system, and yeah, here you can book a demo here rather than giving her 15 or 25. Here you need to book a demo. Okay, and I will recommend using first the free version to try out the prompt, and then you understand the prompt, then you can go to the pro and then create the landing page websites, and then learn your skill in creating such small sites. And then after improving, you can start your own business and do that in like 100 users or 200 users, managing on that. And when your business grows, you can just convert it to business enterprises plan, where you can do it like a pros or organization level things. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, I hope you get an idea about what this all pricing means, and which pricing you should select or upgrade to. And yeah, let me know if you have doubts, and let me know in comments. And yeah, that's it. See you next video. Thank you.